Good morning, everybody. Check out my room. Check out my room. I grew up here. I was a skinny cunt when I was small here. And I'm leaving this shit again soon. I'm flying in a week to the UK holidays to see my mate Joe, spending 10 days there, and then I'm flying to the USA, motherfuckers. Yo, okay, so gonna tell you what happened is that as you may know, I was pretty lean a few weeks ago and I started bulking. So what happened is that I started eating food, a lot of food, very fast, as always fucking happens to me. So mate, I've got really fucking fun. So I'm gonna do a mini cut. I mean, I'm gonna lower my calories, start tracking again. So gonna make a full day of eating today. Maybe it's also a workout with the bird, I don't know. So this is my first meal of the day. Oh yes, that back to the diet and some egg whites. Back to the diet. Yes people, I'm dieting now. You may not believe all that is tracked. All that is fucking tracked, okay? Gonna show you exactly what's that. So that's, let's see if it focuses. That's 794 calories, 55 protein, 97 carbs, 19 fat. Ooh, mate, check out that shit. Okay people, so if you guys want to know how to do this shit, I have reached a video that I explain how to do them, okay? Go to my channel and search how to do pancakes. It's like 6-7 videos ago. And yeah people, like, you can eat this shit mate, like as long as you track it, okay? Yesterday I ate 2,800 calories. I was eating these days between 3.3 to 3.6, so that's a big down, okay? I've already filled my abs coming a little bit in one day, okay? I burn approximately, because I have my Fitbit, okay? I strongly recommend you get this shit. I burned yesterday 2.9 calories and I ate 2.8, so that's a 100 calorie deficit. I'm gonna aim to a 200 to 300 calorie deficit these days. I only have like 7 days until I go to the UK, and I don't think I can follow that much the macros in the UK, maybe, because I'm gonna be with a mate that he also lives, so it's same shit. So yeah people, stay tuned, and maybe I'm gonna train with a bird, so maybe if she lets me, I'll show you to you people. Oh, by the way, check my last video. I think it's 2 videos ago. My best moments in Australia. Fucking sick, mate. Good evening, people. I'm just waiting here for this bird to come down, but fucking hell, mate. How's that birds always take half an hour to walk down their house? What the fuck, mate? That's the car. That's the car. That's the house. It's not fucking long. It doesn't take half an hour to go down. Well, I don't know you guys, but I'm ready to kill this pull workout. So yeah, I'm gonna make some gains. Catch you later. Okay people, so this is how Spanish girl do the pre-workout. Se la ha guardado. She had a fucking cigarette in her hand. Okay? Don't come to Spain people, this country sucks. She doesn't even know what I'm saying. So I could be saying that she has a fit ass, but she doesn't know. It's a bit, how you say in English?
How you say?
Forgot this word.
Hi.
Like hi, hey, hi. No, she's like a bit scared of the camera. She doesn't want to be famous yet.
¿Qué estás diciendo?
100 days have made me older since the last time that I saw your pretty face. 1,000 lies have made me colder, and I don't think I can look at this the same. But all the miles that separate disappear now when I'm dreaming of your face. You, baby, and I dream about you all the time. I'm here without you, baby, just still with me in my dreams. And tonight, it's only you and me, yeah. Since the last time that I saw your pretty face, 1,000 lies have made me colder, and I don't think I can look at this the same. But all the miles that separate disappear now when I'm dreaming of your face. I'm here without you, baby, but you're still on my lonely mind. I think about you, baby, and I dream about you all the time. I'm here without you, baby, but you're still with me in my dreams. And tonight, it's only you and me, yeah.
Like the Spaniard is keeping up. He's doing a good job. It's curling more than me. Fucking beast. She's laughing, but she doesn't understand a clue. Hello. Gym is closing, but we're gonna do one more exercise. Last one. Post workout. Smoking. That's best thing to make gains, people. Post-workout, just as soon as you finish. Fuck, I'm red. I'm like a lobster.
¿Qué estás hablando?
Que un lobster es un cangrejo.
Oh, yes.
Soy un yes.
Red,
Un
red.
cangreburger. Soy un puto cangrejo, máquinas. Cangrejo salvaje. Mate, I just stopped in this car and I was gonna open it and it's not my fucking car. The thing is, I'm using my father's car and he bought a fucking grey car that's the same as...
Crazy.
Crazy, eh? My dad is crazy.
Yes.
Her English is fucking absolutely perfect, mate.
Eso que de follar has dicho.
No, he dicho que tu inglés es perfecto. Tu inglés es perfecto. She thought...
My English
She-
is perfect.
She thought I said something about fucking, but no, I didn't say anything about that.
¿Qué has dicho? Ahí sí que has dicho algo.
Ahora he dicho que has pensado antes que he dicho algo de follar, pero no. Ah, yo no. I'm virgin, people.
Vete a la mierda, ¿no?
No, fucking es follar.
Pues ya está.
¿Eh?
Ya has dicho fucking.
¿Eh?
Ya has dicho fucking.
Now this is my car. Yes, no. Yes, no.
Uy. Estoy cansada,
¿Cómo se dice eso en inglés?
¿El qué?
You're what?
Cansada.
Tired.
Tired.
I'm tired.
I'm tired.
You haven't done anything. How is that you tired?
¿Qué?
¿Cómo es que estás cansada? Si no has hecho nada.
No me grabes.